if you're looking around as it relates to Shiba Inu and you're trying to kind of figure out what now and or what's next, what's coming, that's what I'm going to talk about in this video. So if you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button below, become part of the community, stick around. I cover SHIB every single day, as well as other topics, general overall market overview, scenarios, macroeconomic indicators, all with the goal of trying to keep you informed and ahead of the curve so that you know what the heck's going on so that you can make the decisions that are best for you. All right, so here's what's going on. So from a what now and or what next scenario for Shiba Inu, there's a couple of variables that I want to make you aware of. It is broken out of its stalemate, so what's coming next? And this highlighted paragraph here is really the meat of what I want to talk about. According to the daily chart in red right here of Shiba Inu, the token successfully broke the stalemate we saw previously and is now moving to the upper border of the range formed back in July. Okay, if the token reaches the upper border, we are going to see a consolidation in which Shiba Inu will either rush to the next resistance level or reverse to the lower border of the range. Okay, so what this really means is if you look at SHIB and you look at, say, a 3-month chart, okay, this move right here was the overall kind of general market move down. But look at the consolidation and support levels that has happened within Shiba Inu for the last, since really all the way going back even into May. You can see kind of, in May, we established a kind of a bottom level there all the way up to the top, which was 1386. In June, we had a little bit more move down because we got some more overall macro, indicators that came in there. Stayed for about the 13th through about 8 days. Stayed in that 823, bounced back immediately, and is now established a support level. It is these support levels, these sideways patterns that you actually really do want. Yes, I know they're boring. They're not like, oh my God, I'm making a bunch of money today. But it's these support levels. I want you to know I get it. It's these support levels that establish support, consolidation. They build consensus, if you will. And if you have them, you have a very, very, very stable crypto, Shiba Inu. Okay, so from a what's next standpoint, okay, you have to zoom out. You have to not just look at Shiba Inu. You've got to look at what's going on. So the overall market back up to 1.1 trillion, 100 billion plus is the overall market move up. In fact, it's just moved up back. I mean, Ethereum just jumped about 2%, and Bitcoin was negative or before I started recording this video. Okay, so here's what you need to be aware of in the overall kind of macroeconomic scenarios. We have some big catalysts coming on August 10th. We're going to the July inflation data report is going to be completed for the United States. It is not going to be published, okay? It's going to be published around September 10th, and then the Federal Reserve is going to meet on September 20th through the 21st. So on September 21st, we're going to know and get clear visibility into what the Fed is going to do as in reaction to inflation. Because here it is. Inflation is the key story in all of crypto right now. What is going on with it, what is not going on, and it impacts Shiba Inu. It does, okay? It impacts SHIB because SHIB is a top 16 crypto. It moves with the overall market indicators, okay? So if crypto looks like we're out of the woods, which the indicators are that we basically are. Chairman Jerome Powell of the Fed, in his remarks in the July Fed meeting, basically talked about the fact that it looks like we're in the worst of it right here, right now, and that it looks like we're going to be getting better. But it is this report coming out that we really need to be aware of. So that's what's next, what's going on. Until then, we're going to have really choppy volatility rolling in the market. Okay, so kind of little ups and downs, little jigs and jags, whatever analogy you want to put on it. That's what I got for you. Thanks for giving me a few minutes. As always, I'll see you. Have a good one. Thank you for your support.